Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my name is Muhammad Haziq Danish, and I will present you about case study home network design and improvement. So, at the first, Palm Garden resident in Klang use a time fiber internet with a Huawei router. The single flow home network connect device such as smart TV, laptop, smartphone, and what else across the bedroom, living room, and the kitchen. It prioritizes reliability and low latency connectivity for the video call, cloud work, online learning, and high bandwidth tasks such as streaming, gaming, and despite multiple user or IoT device sharing bandwidth. This is my home layout, which is have one bedroom. We have two bedroom, one master bedroom, kitchen, and living room. And this is the real picture of the Palm Garden in Klang, in Bandar Baru Klang. For the ISP selection, which is has three sections in high speed plan, which is Huawei give the customer and user, which is 500 Mbps to 1 gig Mbps. For the competitive pricing, it very affordable for student to use, and the customer service is up to 34 hour per 34 hour per 7, and very friendly to the customer. For the purpose of the home network should serve for the educational and entertainment purpose of a degree student with a basic connectivity for studying, collaborative working, and recreation. And main requirement are for the academic and multi-device support. For the stakeholder, we have primary user and the secondary user. And primary user is the original household, and for secondary user, which is have such as visitor, members, or another guest. For the cost, right? First, we have budget, flexible but prioritized, limited wire infrastructure, Wi-Fi signal degradation, and legacy device compatibility. For the current network, home network is supported by a Huawei Wi-Fi router, which is Wi-Fi 4 or maybe Wi-Fi 5, and through the time fiber internet. In the internet service provider, it is a built-in modem router, which is the house in the living room near the fiber optic termination point. It support both internet connectivity and wireless sharing with a combination of the wire and the wireless device. First, for the wired connection, desktop computer is shared by the local area network for assure the high speed access to cost material and heavy usage such as coding and 3D modeling. And the wireless connection, all the rest of the device such as the gaming laptop, smartphone, tablet, wireless printer, and smart TV are shared by solely by Wi-Fi. This is the level of current network topology, which is a Wi-Fi modem router in here. Rely on all the device and gadget in the house rely on one modem router only, which is Huawei Wi-Fi. And this is the the hierarchy of the topology, network topology, which is we have the core layer is the Wi-Fi internet, and we have no distributor layer, such we have no switch to be a backbone wire, but we have the access layer such as the end device user. So for the current limitation, for the performance, which is a Wi-Fi coverage is weak, bandwidth conduction is weak, and wire very limited. For the security, we have no basic encryption, no network segmentation, outdated firmware, and lack of VPN or firewall features. For the scalability, it is a flat architecture, no support for the modern standard, and limited wire expansion. For the current device use, which is we in this house, we use a gaming laptop such as IdeaPad gaming, desktop custom PC with hardcore GPU like RTX 3 series, and smartphone like as Realme, Android, Xiaomi, iPhone, tablets such as iPad, wireless printers such as Canon HP Jet, or maybe the smart TV we use Samsung. For the existing cabling detail, which is we have a device connect to one relay Wi-Fi and one relay connection only. This is the current existing detail for the cabling. And this is table for the summary of enhancement, which is to propose home network upgrade, which is we upgrade 5 things here, which is Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, power line adapter, managed switch, legacy device upgrades, and cabling. For the performance, is up to 500 Mbps coverage. For the power line adapter, maybe we elevated the dead zone, switch for reduced congestion, legacy device upgrade for the faster speed, and upgrade the cable to stable the wired connection. For the network topology suggested, this is the new topology, which is we have a mesh Wi-Fi 6 here in the every bedroom, and we use the switch for the stable connected for the desktop near the living room. For the proposed network layer mapping, which is before we don't have distribution layer, but in this we have distribution layer, which is managed by the gigabit switch, and for the segment traffic via VLAN and academic vs IoT act as a backbone for the wired device like I said, desktop PC, and extend wire like a speed to distant room via electrical wiring. And in the access layer, we have the secondary mesh node for the bedroom 1, 2, and the master bedroom. For the end user device, laptop, smartphone, tablet, provide Wi-Fi 6 coverage to eliminate dead zone, connect end device via Wi-Fi or local area network, and prioritize academic traffic using QoS. And we have the primary mesh node to manage internet connectivity routing, handle net, DHCP, firewall policy, and connect to time fiber GPON terminal. For the proposed network layering, it's my bad. For the list of the suggested internetwork device, which is we upgrade to try by Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, we use the TP-Link brand and manage a gigabit switch, which is 8-port switch, only 8-port switch from the TP-Link brand, and power line adapter from TP-Link also. Legacy device upgrade like wireless printer from the HP Jet Speed, which is more can accurate at copying, scaling, and printing more detail and most fastest speeds. And Ethernet cable, we use UG Green, Cat 6 and 7s for stabilized wireless shielded in all the home network. For the proposed cabling detail, before we have only one relays to node Wi-Fi only. So, and here we have 1-2 port, which is desktop PC through the Cat 6. We have a very different way to stabilize the cabling for the connection of the home network. And for the conclusion, first is technical solution and skill. I already explored the hierarchy network design. Maybe I implemented Wi-Fi 6 mesh for the dead zone elimination and power line adapter. And for the real world impact, enable to seamless Zoom mission session, lag free gaming, and secure the cloud access. I suggest the hybrid solution and demonstrate the adaptable IT problem solving for physical and interference challenge. And lastly, a career and future relevance. I maybe obtain skill in network design, security, and hardware optimization critical for IoT or smart home management. It strengthens my foundation for IT career such as cybersecurity, network engineer, while sharpening cost-effective planning and critical thinking for sustainable tech investment. That's all from me. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.